Welcome to the Upbeat Gardener, celebrating life, gardening, and beets, as in upbeat. I'm Marion Owen. For me, going to the library is like going on a treasure hunt. The other day, I discovered a new book called Green for Life by Victoria Butenko. Green for Life is a cookbook of sorts. Throughout the pages, Victoria is a strong advocate for a raw food diet, and she shares before and after stories about how her family is much healthier for it. While I'm not crazy about dining on raw, uncooked foods, I did appreciate the chapter on smoothies. So let's get creative and think outside the blender. Why? Almost everyone needs to eat more fruits and vegetables. 5 servings a day is recommended, and we all know these foods are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They're one of the best defenses against chronic diseases. Thing is, how are you going to get 5 servings a day of fruits and vegetables when you barely have time to brush your teeth? Still, you need energy, and you want to feel good, right? That's where smoothies come in. Blended smoothies provide a quick, refreshing, and filling drink, fortified with fiber, minerals, and vitamins. Now here's the twist. In Green for Life, Victoria champions the idea of making green smoothies, where you blend fruits and vegetables together. Now, if the fear of spinach-flavored glop grabs your throat, relax. The fruity taste dominates the smoothie's flavor. True, most of us are accustomed to thinking of smoothies as fruity, almost dessert-like. But to do that is to deny the goodness of vegetables, the other half of the healthy food equation. To green up your smoothies, simply add a handful of fresh spinach, kale, or lettuce, slices of cucumber, or a stalk of celery to your favorite fruit combo. One of my favorite smoothies blends frozen mango chunks, a half a peeled cucumber, grated ginger, yogurt, and orange juice. Here's another recipe. A half a pear, 1 banana, 1 cup fresh or frozen cranberries, a half a navel orange, wash it but don't peel it, 1 stalk celery, a couple leaves of romaine lettuce, and water. The best thing about green smoothies is they're the perfect on-the-go food, and they're cheap to make. Take 'em hiking, to work, or school. Expect some weird looks, though, because of the green tint. But that's your cue to introduce people to green smoothies. For the Upbeat Gardener, in Kodiak, Alaska, I'm Marion Owen.